All right, so to set up rotating wallpapers on your Motorola phone, you're first going to go to the home screen and then just press and hold any empty space on your home screen. Then we're going to go to Wallpapers. And once you're there, you're going to want to go to Curated Images. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a button that says More Wallpapers. And here we can choose a category. I'm going to go with something like cityscapes, for example. And once the collection loads up, you'll see a little daily refresh button in the top right corner. Tap that, and your phone is going to use all the photos from that collections and change the wallpaper every day. And if you want, you can check the box that limits downloading new wallpapers only to happen if you are connected to Wi-Fi. To save mobile data, in case you care about that. I'll hit OK, it's going to download my first wallpaper, and we're all set. The only limitation, and it's sort of a big one, is that you're limited to those pre-curated collections if you want your wallpaper to automatically rotate. So there is no native built-in way to have your own custom photos rotate automatically. Not sure why, because it seems like such a simple feature, but as of now, that's how it is on Motorola phones. Anyways, that's how you set up rotating wallpapers on your phone. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all, until next time.